when you got put the worst. Who job bless me say no man's curse. Things getting better when you got put the worst. Mama, don't trip. When I make it, y'all make it. I love you, mama.
Sagg, you know like? Sagg. People want to know why. But like, Sagg, hold on, Sagg. Hold on. Sagg,
wow. You doing good? You doing the live?
Long time.
Stink.
You can't see my live. I want to talk to you about this mess up. This massive. This massive. We have to show it, man. Right?
You been doing the live for
long time, you know what I mean? Right. Sagg, how you feel about this day today, man? Huh?
I feel good.
Hold on, like I want to talk to you too. Don't try to escape. Don't try to escape. Huh?
I feel good.
You just feel good.
I'm tired. I need to sleep.
Man, wonderful job.
I need to sleep it because I worry about the kids there, right? Because I said like, I wonder if the kids are like this. I wonder if the kids are like that.
Yeah.
You feel me? So I just think about it. I wonder if 2 jump houses enough for that. I wonder if 1 trampoline enough. You think that like things like that. Like, and I made to think about games. Up to when Mrs. Skoda, then I said, I don't know what games you play. Yeah. Big up Mr. Brandon. Big up.
Hey everybody.
Champion Expedition.
Again? Expedition again? Yeah, I can't show out. They're advertisement. They're promoting our car. Yeah, but my life. But the Chaplain, how you feel about this? Man, I know you changed your name already, but the Chaplain Expedition, the same thing. Come for the same vibes, man.
Well, it feels good to give back to the kids and spend time with the kids and see what the kids like, you know, so that when Sagg do this again, he know exactly how to, you know, work with the kids and expand, you know.
Alright, look up yourself again, Sagg.
Yeah, follow it.
Wonderful. Yeah, follow you, man. Because I want Halapa.
Well, they don't say what I have to say, my bro. So
say shut up.
They don't say what I have to say. Yeah, but hey, let's big up Chop. You know what I mean? Let's big up Chopping Expedition for the moment.
Everything good. We give back to the kids. Nice experience. Wanna bring out the kids. Wanna bring out to the kids. That's how we give back. Big up to Sagg initiative. We do it yearly. That's what more no one miss. Bring out the kids.
Alright, cool. Make me follow that one over. Make me see what they go on, man. Make me watch this action. It's a live action. It's a live action here. Right? Really live. Yes, man. I will make you up. I have to see you.
You have to go with the balloon set. If you want to play balloon dance, we're ready first at the time where the music to do it. Once you want to play balloon dance,
yeah, right, man.
first at the time where the music to do it.
One of the jump posts, the wire starts smoke. That's why the jump post is down. But we soon fix it.
We're done with the balloon dance. We will have Kenya from the Mosody backed up by Lima Lewis and Drummer Boy from all the bands.
I want nothing.
I want to hold it. Natural. Well, you stretch up my shirt, too, General.
That quality shirt, that's going back in a place.
You stretch up my thing, man.
I didn't talk about text. Mine was out of text. But they take the camera off, family, ladies and gentlemen. That's how I do it. But
you know the spotlight, man. You know, we can see who they behind this.
All right. That don't mean that's sad, ladies and gentlemen. But I tell you something, right? This is something special. This hardly happened. You know, I don't see no government. The thing is, we stand out. I don't see no.
Say what you want to say. Say that right there. Say that right there. What you want to say.
I don't see no government official out there today, Sagg. You know, this is a way
till you know when they need to vote again. But anyway, we're not a parachute.
All right, well, Sagg, you lock up the whole neighborhood. This is our different level.
Yeah.
Sagg and YG, lock it off. Is this an annual or 2 year, two, three times for the year? How we do this?
You know, every year I give back just school bags to the community. I would drive around and I do it. But this year I say I want like do something different for the picnic. Make the picnic make get involved.
All right.
You feel me? So when I think about, I'm if you do it as a steam, you know. But what happened? Yes, I'm if you do it as a steam. So like right now we feel me start. So what happened is that I'm if you get liquor license, you try make back $1, and they never want to give me. So I say, you know what?
But
I want to change the whole setting.
But Amar, the man want the liquor license, the thing
no,
like
we don't
this.
need that.
No, we don't need it now. But we are rolling. Sagg, make we walk down so make we see all the time, man.
Free.
You take me to your neighborhood.
Sorry,
I don't know this neighborhood there.
The jump post is down. I don't show you that. Jump post is down because the wire have me the bone. I hope the thing now and blow out. I will pay for that. Let's go, Jenna. Take it for part, Jenna. Jenna, do okay. Jenna, do okay. So,
The man not give shine.
I made to think about it. I want to have 2 trampoline, you know, for the kids there. You need 2 jump posts or trampoline and thing, but it works. Entertainment, you know, they have so games. Come on, make sure you all the free things. All of this free. All of this are free. Earlier Coast Guard, they had the trim too. Yeah, free trimming. Big up Coast Guard.
They say Monday they did a thrifty. Monday when they check they were free trim, Coast Guard thrifty.
Chiste. Now listen to you. Chiste.
Big up Jershon.
Me got
Big up DJ Sagg.
all of this.
Big up Wabagari Die for Radio Station. Live from Sagg YG. We have uniform, we have school bombs. Big up DJ Sagg for doing this for the community.
You got
everybody else who contribute
to this. Snacks.
Now we have artists
all kind of snacks, but the
snacks are
done.
10 year first, Harlem Youths.
We got drink. We
Big
still got more
CEO, Reckless, Newbie. Want to reach closer because
I got
we party time for the kids. We have Drummer Boy here on drums from all the bands in Danriga.
So we got
games. Overall.
We got games.
What kind of new band name? A new band. He plays all band. Check the band for your printing as well.
The day soon done.
So, we want to big up.
The day soon done and the kids they have fun. I make sure they had fun. And some of them win money.
Now. Lila, have it then? Alright, tell you girls gonna Lila.
We just made a try.
One line, make one line. And now watch straight to Mr. Lila.
Consider the game.
So right now we have balloon toss. Boys against girls, and they will try to get a
no rum there too.
Yeah, listen, it's free.
It's free.
We need space to line up.
Damn, we want each other. Big
up Obagar Dice for the radio station 91.7. Reaching out, promoting stuff. This is not about anybody else, but this team want to do this thing for 10 years. By 17, here to do this. And so I big up stuff for the do this in the community. And everybody who reach out, DJ Miller Killer, Allo Foundation. We have coming up in a few penny from the Bossa B band. Levi the Big Voice Harlem Youths. Watch more face master Reckless Forest. The man who is funny, Big's the CEO, and he'll be passing through. DJ Jenna from off the ship, DJ Shoes from off the camp. So, Sunday big game in Danriga, Benke United versus Verdes FC. So big up Daifa promoting his football team. But in the meantime today, it's all about DJ Sanda, Shy Lee Boy for Danriga.
A balloon toss right now. Balloon toss.
So we have 10, right? I see some people still join the line. Space there a little bit.
Big up Drummer Boy too. Drummer Boy reach out to me and say, you want to be a part of it? Hey, you have to wave.
Drummer Boy.
Wave the camera.
Wow, doing something. Big up
Malo.
Big up performing. Big up Massive.
Mela, big up Mela too.
So I have everybody.
Put it in the middle.
Live.
Big up Khaled. Big up Khaled too. He come for early. Big up Khaled. He come for early. Big up. Right. You can't run, man. You run fast. You run fast.
We have that. What's it?
Yeah, my main sponsor. Chaplin Expedition. We got this man. You don't need all of that. You don't need all of that.
Alright, we can get it balloons. When we start close, then we'll move off. Make one step close. The first one will be the easiest one.
I have to take this half first before you shush to me. I'm correct. No.
That's why I hope you get a ball right this one.
Yeah. Play.
In my name.
I got my laptop in my bag.
He needed the juice and so. So the man changed from mix all of this today to juice all of this today. For the kids, anything for the kids. The switch up, yes, the man become the juice all of this for today. Take care of the kids' hydration. Alright, so the balloon away the girls. The easiest one, I want you pass or you just give the ball. We are line this straight. Alright, you ready?
Yeah, we're
live balloon together. When I say true. Capiche? For the first one and the easiest one, you could just pass the balloon in the hand. People are ready? We are doing wrong after this. Let's do this because it's finished, right? Alright, ready? So when I say true, you're true. And then I'll tell you who are you back and who are stand. Yes, people get a little bit closer. So the first one to be very easy. We have the line straight. The boys make one step backward. Thank you very much. Girls make one step forward. I think we have a good line now. Like. So, you ready?
And this is right now,
You can.
right there in the zone.
Ready? Show the balloon. Hold the balloon when you get it, boys. Hold the balloon by your side. You see, when I say throw, you have to throw. All of which throw at the same time. Kelsey, the balloon belong for the next side. All right, girls, make one step. Get in line with me. So right there, so. All the girls get in line with this first girl. Just back, Kelsey. Just back, just back, just back a little bit. A little bit more. A little bit more. Fourth person right there. Line all the way up. Just back. Yes, now we're in line. Ah. Ready again? Throw the balloon. One. Good job. All right, boys. Step back.
The balloon a car bus.
Get in line with me. Perfect. Right there, so this one part of the game are get rough now. When the balloon drop, I boss. Take the palm and I boss. Yeah. Throw the balloon.
Why?
All right, time to survive. Girls, step back. Come in line.
Why is it get hot? It's getting hot. It's getting hot. No balloon, no box set. No balloon, no box set, ladies and gentlemen.
Boys, you ready? Throw the balloon. Hey! Hey! We have one out. All right, step out, step out. Step back, girls, step back. Step back, sit right there. Back. All the girls, head right there, line. Back, good. We're good. We ready? Throw the balloon. Hey! One boss. Hey! All right, girls, step back. Step back. Where? Right. Let's make the line right there. I want everybody to line. So step back. Way back. There we are. The boys, someone already step too much front. Step back, step back. All right. Step back, step back. Yes, right there. All right. Throw the balloon. Hey, boss. All right, where now, girls? Where? Yes, this game get rough now. All the way back. Line in a straight, say, I want to take this way. The boys who are behind here, please step back. Okay, clear the right there back. Correct line, the first person needs to go all the way back. All right.
Did you get hot?
Excuse me, fire, Papa. Come. Start break that side of me. Ready? Throw the balloon, girls. We have 4 more. All right, girls, step back.
Please catch the balloon.
That who can catch? No. One already? Okay. All right, good. We're good. Throw the balloon. And 3 more survive. 3 more survive. And step back a little bit, Kels. Step back a little bit. All right. Ready? Well, I like just to give them encouragement. Throw the balloon. Hey! And they were 2. No. Step back. Go all the way here. Why? You ready? Throw the balloon. Hey! None of the balloon more. Step back, girls. Good. Throw the balloon. Hey, still no boss. Hey! And we have the winners. Come. We have the winners. Come, Bali. Come this side. How your name? Tiana, which school did you go? Which school did you go?
Sir, I can't talk for the day.
Alright, I'll talk for you. Which school did you go? Oh, you have family city? Alright, nice. How your name? Safar, which school did you go? The class you go, Nina? Alright, good luck for Standard 4 this upcoming school year, alright? Alright, so DJ Sagg, we have the 2 winners here. In the meantime, Pena, get ready. We have entertainment.
I'm a brother, you know.
This is a Sagg YG, brother. Alright, so now we have entertainment. Our first artist, so to stick around. Let's go to Penyo from the Bossa B band. After Penyo, Lee Boy with the big voice who came in from work early today. Harlem Youths up next. Biggs the CEO. Reckless Flores, Lima Lewis. DJ Jenna from off the ship. DJ Shoes from off the camp. Alright, we'll come right front here. Lila, please move this table. Well, Lila. Alright. We want to welcome Penyo from the Bossa B band. Yeah, we're there, the first artist, guys, 6 o'clock. We don't want to leave poop poop, come and say poop 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 poop. So if you're an artist and you're to perform, blink up, come close. We're going to entertain the children there. And then we close off with DJ Sagg. So in the meantime, Foundation. Alright, we have Jershan, DJ Sagg, DJ Jenna.